Hey there! If you've ever been mixing buttercream, watching it get smooth, and then suddenly it turns into something that looks like cottage cheese or gritty soup, your heart just sinks, right? You think you've ruined it, wasted all those ingredients. And I've been there too. In your Buttercream 911 guide, I walk you through the fix, and today I'm going to show you exactly what that fix looks like in real time. This is what we're starting with. See how it's grainy, it looks broken, and this is what sends most bakers into a panic mode. But here's the secret. This isn't ruined. This is just fat and water that have decided to take a little break from each other. They haven't fully emulsified. And the fix isn't to stop, it's to keep going. I'm going to keep mixing on a medium speed, and I want you to watch what happens. The agitation and the slight warmth from the friction are going to convince that fat and water to get back together. You'll see it start to come together. It might even look worse for a second, but then you'll see it suddenly transform into a thick, cohesive cream. Right about now. Look at that. From cottage cheese to smooth pipable buttercream, that's the power of knowing what's actually happening and not stopping. Now let's test and see if it's ready. Grab a clean dry bowl, place some buttercream inside. At this stage, the buttercream should be quite thick and firm. Start mixing it around the bowl with a spatula. If the buttercream slides around, it's not ready. But if it sticks to the sides of the bowl, that tells me it's the perfect piping consistency. See that? That's perfect. This is fix number 1 in your Buttercream 911 guide. The other 2 fixes for when your flowers droop or your buttercream flower cracks, look chunky, and glides on the flower nail, follow the same principle. Understanding the why so you know the what to do. They're all in your PDF. Download your guide, save it on your phone, and the next time your buttercream acts up, you know exactly what to do. You've got this. Thanks for watching.